Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nanna Share. In last video we learned countings from 21 to 30. Today we are going to learn countings from 31 to 40. Let's start. 31 in French we say 31. T R E N T E E T U-N. 32 in French we say Tondou. T-R-E-N-D-E D-E-U-X. 33 in French we say Tawa. T-R-E-N-T-E T-R-O-I-S. 34 in French we say cat. T-R-E-N-T-E Q-U-A-T-R-E. 35 in French we say sank. T-R-E-N-T-E sank. C-I-N-Q. 36 in French we say sis. T-R-E-N-T-E Six. S-I-X. 37 in French we say sat. T-R-E-N-T-E sat. S-E-T-T. 38 in French we say wit. T-R-E-N-T-E wit. H-U-I-T. 39 in French we say neuf. T-R-E-N-T-E neuf. N-E-U-F. 40 we say quarante. Q-U-A-R-A-N-T-E. Let's revise. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Thank you friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like share my video. Bye bye.